Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are both safe and doing well. On a recent stay at an Airbnb, I noticed this beautiful mirror mosaic wall panel. I've purchased wall panels like this from places like Pier1, but since Pier1 has rebranded, wall panels like these are no longer available. So in today's video, I show you how I've recreated a similar wall panel for a fraction of the cost. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with these two 16 by 20 inch wood art panels that I picked up from Michael's. To create a larger canvas, I'm attaching both panels together using Dollar Tree Tower Game wood pieces and Gorilla Construction adhesive. I allowed my construction adhesive to dry for about an hour before adding hot glue. It'll take 24 hours for the construction adhesive to fully cure, but the hot glue will allow me to flip over my wall panel and continue with the project. I allowed my wall panel to dry for an additional hour, and then I used spackling that I already had at home to fill in the space between my wood panels and my Tower Game wood pieces. You can find inexpensive spackling at Dollar Tree, or you can use wood filler instead. Because I used such small amounts of spackling, I did not have to sand my wood panel, but I did wipe away any remaining debris. Next, I added 2 coats of black acrylic paint. And once the paint was completely dry, I used 5-inch Dollar Tree round mirrors to help create my circle design. I'm using the mirrors to help me trace 3 circles to the top center of my wall panel and half circles to each side. I continued that same pattern across the entire wall panel. There's a small blank section at the bottom of the wood panel that I'll care for a little later on in the project. Next, I'm adding a second layer of the circles, but this time I'm only adding circles in between the rows of my previous pattern. Once I had my design drawn, it was then time for me to add my 1/4-inch mirror towels. I'll leave a link to where you can purchase these same towels in the description box below. I cut my mirror towel sheet into single strips using these detailing scissors that I picked up from Dollar Tree, but you could also use an X-Acto knife as well. I also mentioned that if you've never used these mirror towels before, they are glass, so it's a good idea to use safety goggles and gloves for this project. Here, I'm applying the mirrors by simply following the outline of each of the circles, and I'm using a quarter, yes, a quarter, to help me curve the lines as much as possible. The trick here is to not remove the white film from the back of the mirror until you're ready to apply them to the wall panel. The adhesive on the back of the mirror is very sticky, so if you remove the film too quickly, the mirrors will likely stick to your fingers instead. As you can see, I've outlined my first layer of circles. The circles aren't perfect, but that's okay. Next, I'm adding 3 rows of the mirror towels to the bottom of my wall panel. Next, I'm adding more of the mirror towels to the diamond pattern in the center of each circle. So far, I've only used one of the mirror towel sheets, but I'm using a second sheet to add even more mirrors to the design. To protect my black paint and give it a bit of shine, I'm adding some of this clear gloss polyacrylic that I already had at home. And to complete the look, I'm adding a small mirror tile design in the center of each of the circles. I think that my version of this mirror mosaic wall panel turned out beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers. Bye.